Hi there, my name is Daniel Scott and I'm an Adobe certified instructor. Together, you and me are going to learn how to become a user experience designer using the software Adobe XD. Together, we'll use this UI UX software to create beautiful user interfaces as well as really streamlined user experiences. During this course, we'll work through an actual freelance project that I have on at the moment. It needs both a website and an app built. So it'll give you a really good idea of how to kind of manage your own UX project. Now this course is aimed at complete beginners. So there's no need to have any experience in design or UI or UX. You don't even need to know what those terms mean yet. We're gonna start right at the beginning and work our way through step by step. So throughout the course, you'll be working on an actual project. But as well as that, I'll set assignments, not homework. Okay, for you to complete, I'll give you the brief, I'll give you the files, and I'll set some tasks. And that will mean you'll be able to develop your own skills, but also you'll be able to create your own projects ready for your own portfolio. Unless you're wondering, what does it say? Why is it upside down? It annoys a lot of people, this jumper. I'm not sure why. It says iLab, I think. iLab. It's a cool little New Zealand brand, and my Irish friends hate it, because it doesn't mean anything and it's upside down, so I wear it lots.